Keith Haring became the perfect avatar for this Louis Vuitton collection, a graffiti kid who crossed into fine art without losing his accessibility or edge. His spirit threaded through the show at the Frick collection, where a tagged 1930s Vuitton suitcase opened the runway, slung casually with denim overalls tied at the waist and a simple red V-neck cardigan. From there, Ghesquière's woman shapeshifted. Futuristic wrestling sneakers and crushed fedoras gave way to Edwardian ruffles, floral jacquard echoing the Frick's wallpaper, collectible bags inspired by yellow cabs and takeout containers, and leather jackets hand-printed in Haring's graphic language. It was New York as a mood board, eclectic, contradictory, alive. But Resort is never just about place, it's about the woman in motion. She's the one who lives between cities, climates and identities, packing not for a destination but for possibility. Resort is her most honest season, trans-seasonal, transitional and emotionally flexible. She needs clothes that can handle a red-eye flight, a gallery opening, a downtown dinner, and an uptown morning without losing their relevance. And this year, she's not just traveling geographically, she's time-traveling aesthetically. She's part 1960s space girl, part 1980s factory kid, part modern New Yorker navigating the city's endless code switching. Ghesquière built this collection for that shapeshifter, a woman who moves through New York the way he first experienced it in 1989, as an 18-year-old assistant at Jean Paul Gaultier. The Lafayette Street loft, the late-night dinners at Florent, the party where Helmut Newton and Iman drifted through the room. These memories became the emotional scaffolding of his Resort 2027. The collection mirrors that sense of discovery, the thrill of crossing from downtown grit to uptown grandeur, from sci-fi futurism to Gilded Age romance. You see flashes of 1960s Star Trek oddity in the sculptural minis and spandex meets lace hybrids, and hints of 1980s factory energy in the sculpted jackets, with strips of bold color and embellishments, and an art kid irreverence. And so the Louis Vuitton Resort 2027 woman becomes a collage of eras and identities. She's the downtown girl who wanders into the Frick as if it's her living room, and the uptown apparition who steps out of a portrait with ruffles swirling around her neck. She's a space-age heroine in one look and a Warhol-era muse in the next. She wears race car jackets with ladder-like skirts, sleek capris with Edwardian ruffled sleeves, and collectible bags shaped like the city's everyday icons. She isn't dressing for where she's going, she's dressing for everywhere she's been and everywhere she might go next. In Ghesquière's hands, Resort becomes a portrait of a woman who refuses to be contained, a woman who embodies and loves New York's contradictions and carries them with her like souvenirs.